Next, we will explore how we can set up the menus of the website. Currently, if we go to the website, we can just see one link in the menu, that is the sample page. Now, I may want to remove this content and I don't want this page to be appearing in the menus of my website. Simply, we can go to Appearance. Under that, we can see the Menus tab in the admin panel, and I can just click on the Menus tab. Here, there are no menus created as of now, so we will create our first menu. Since we are adding it on our top of the website, I will call it a main menu, and I will just click on Create Menu. Once the menu is created, we can add pages into it. There are settings here where it wants where do we want to display this menu. So whether it's desktop horizontal menu, desktop expanded menu, mobile menu, footer menu, social menu, what type of menu is this, and do I want to automatically add page, auto add pages. Now, this option, I personally do not check this when I'm creating a website, automatically add new top level menus, because whenever you create a new page, they will automatically be added to the menu. It may so happen that you are not creating a page which is supposed to go in the menu. So in that case, I will prefer to manually add all the pages on the menu. I want to display it in the mobile menu, the desktop horizontal menu, and the desktop expanded menu. I will click on Save Menu. Since there are no items here, when we just refresh this thing, it is showing us a blank menu. It is not showing us anything. Okay. Now, how do we add pages here? One option is to select all the pages from here, and one is the home page, one is the sample page, and I can just click on the menu. So WordPress by default will show you all the pages which have been created here, and you can just select those and add it to the menu. Home page is a custom link. Okay. By default, WordPress is creating this, which will open the main page of the website. These are pages. We can also add posts. For example, the hello world post which we have. We can add it to the menu here, and we can just save this and we can see how it looks. When we go back on the main website here and I hit refresh, I can see all the pages in here. When I click the home, it goes to the home page. When I click on the sample page, it goes to the sample page, and when I click on the hello world, it takes me to the hello world blog article link. We can also add custom links in here. For example, if I want to redirect my users to google.com, so I'll have to type https. I can just add google.com as a link, and here I can give a text to it, search on Google. I'll just add it to the menu. I can just click on the drop down and also edit the text later on if I want to, or edit the link later on. I will now save this menu, and when I update it in here, I get a tab search on Google, and when I click on that, the Google website opens. Custom menus are not only used for external websites but also for certain amount of images or YouTube links, so you can have your Facebook icons added as a custom link. There is one more option which is termed as categories. You can also add the blog categories to your menu. Since we have no category added at this stage, it is just showing us one default uncategorized category. However, we will add that. Normally, unless you have just one blog article or one important blog article, it is recommended to add categories in the menu where the person can just click on that specific category and get all the articles which are related to that category. For example, now if I just refresh this page here, I have an uncategorized link which is there. When I click on this thing, it shows in the URL test/category/uncategorized. In this case, it is showing all the articles which are posted under the category of uncategorized. Ideally, there will definitely be more articles once we write a blog post and all. So more on it, we will definitely look into it. Since we have selected the option of desktop expanded menu, it is also showing as a menu tab here, and here they are giving some links as well. We can have all the important links under this menu tab if we want. Please note, this option may not be available on all the themes. Like if we change the theme, we may not see desktop expanded menu or social menu for that matter. We can also manage the locations by clicking here on the top of manage locations, where we can decide where we want or where we don't want a specific menu to be displayed. And as I unchecked or removed the menu from the desktop expanded menu, it is no longer showing me a menu tab in here. I hope this is clear. Menus are very important because that is the first thing the user is gonna browse through if they find your website interesting.